Hello and welcome to the first comprehensive Nanolex car care factory tour on YouTube. I think it really is the first time that we're doing this. Today I would like to show you pretty much everything we do together with a couple of colleagues while we're going from unit to unit. So we will start in the main building, which is including the production, most of the administration, the marketing department, as well as a couple of labs and quality management. So let me show you around. So here we're basically in the middle of production together with Andy. So we've been running this together for the last 10 years now, and he is doing all the formulation work. So and in the main production room we are scaling the prototypes and the products that we have in mind up to production batches. Here is a 3,000 liter production vessel. We can produce from 1,000 liters to 3,000 liter batches. Next to where the camera stands, we have a production machine for abrasive polishes. Maybe we can include a couple of sequences of that as well. And this is the main production, as I said, and then in the next step Andy will tell us a little bit of his daily work in the lab.
So here we are in the lab where I spend most of my days and most of my time, or I like spending my time, because here is where everything happens regarding new products and developments. So whenever we have customers, we sit together with them, we brainstorm, have some ideas, and I try to put them in the bottles. So this is why here everything's full of raw materials, small bottle boxes, everything that we have here we have outside also. So when everything's okay here, we test it with Josh in practical terms, and if everything's okay, we scale it up outside. Hello together. So now we're in the quality management lab. In the other lab that we just visited, we make the formulations, and everything's produced outside, and afterwards everything's checked here for certain parameters. Here's Mr. Besnik, our quality manager, aka the professor. So here are the tools he's using. This device, for example, is using to check the colors, like color intensity, color tones and everything, so everything's matching. Here we have a device for measuring the contact angles, so it's very important for sealants and coatings. Here we have a flash point device where you can check the flash point. Is very important for MSDS and for transportation. Here we have devices to check the viscosity, an abrasion tester to test durability of the coatings, and everything else that you see is needed by him to fulfill his work.
As you probably have seen in a couple of videos before, we also have a detailing center. This is something I always wanted to have from the beginning, because it really allows us to work on cars all the time, come up with new ideas, so we really see like what kind of pain there is with new cars, different surfaces, different applications. And our colleague Josh, who's sitting in his office, he's doing all the technical support, but he's also doing a little bit of detailing, so we do maybe 1 to 2 cars per week for customers. And here we also do the trainings. So we do group trainings up to 12, 15 people, where we have the indoor wash bay, so we can do it summer, winter, whenever someone would like to come. We can schedule a training. Then we have a little bit of a meeting area, and we have room for 2 groups who can each work on 1 car. So when we do a training, we can actually do all the steps, meaning from the washing to the polishing in 2 groups. Sometimes we do this in 1 day, sometimes we do it in 2 days, 3 days. It always depends on what you're looking for in terms of what you would like to learn. From a relatively short product training to polishing, wet sanding, coating, we can do everything here in a controlled climate. And yeah, if you're interested in coming for a training, please let us know, and I'm sure we can schedule one with you as well.
Hello and welcome to Nanolex in Germany. This here is my unit where I work. We have the unit here for detailing, we have it also for training and also product testing. I enjoy what I do. Every day is different. I enjoy meeting new customers, I enjoy meeting returning customers, and I look forward to doing trainings, and I look forward to the detailing when it comes. And if anyone's interested in having some training or detailing work done, don't hesitate to contact me.
The next step in the sequence of how the product is made and finished, we have the bottling and labeling. So in the background you can see one of the machines running at the moment. So our daily output here is around 6,000 to 8,000 bottles per shift. So up to, let's say, 20,000 bottles a day of a normal size. Smaller bottles we sometimes do a lot more. This unit is actually relatively large, but unfortunately today we can't show all of it because we're also producing for other companies, and we wouldn't show for whom. So yeah, so next step, after everything is finished here, we take it to the shipping unit, and yeah, I'll see you in a bit in shipping. The final place where the finished product goes to is the shipping center. Here we're packing everything from small orders where customers will order 1 bottle from the German online shop, to bulk orders where some of our customers will order like a drum or 1,000 liters. Here you can see a lot of different shipments being prepared for customers all over the world, and then the rest of this is, yeah, just storage, a little bit of office space, and yeah, I guess your average shipping unit. So here we're packing the coating bundles. As you can see, we have all the parts, bottles, accessories, pre-packed bundles, and then we have 2 colleagues who throughout the day, depending on what's being ordered, pack the bundles, and then we're shipping them all over the world. So I hope you enjoyed the tour. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions regarding the business, how we set it up, etc., please feel free to ask. And I hope I see you for the next video. If you like it, if you like the video, please subscribe and push the like button.